Welcome everyone to another property tour of Neptunus International. Today we have this luxurious villa in Vida, one of the best and most desirable locations in Mallorca. Standing on a plot of 2,811 square meters with a constructed area of 1,235 square meters, this fabulous newly constructed villa is now on the market for 15.9 million. You want to take a look inside of one of the most exclusive properties in Vida? Then get ready and let's go! Wow! Look at this wonderful wild entrance with the large wooden door, and then we have this cozy and spacious hall which is facing the breathtaking views. This luxury property is generously distributed over 3 floors. We have 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, gym, indoor and outdoor pool, and a car lift. Vida offers a lot of privacy, and it impresses with the spectacular panorama views over the entire privileged residential area and the exclusive golf courses. It is surrounded by tranquility, and the capital of Palma is just a few minutes drive away. On this attractive main floor, we have this glamorous living room with a wood-burning fireplace and a spacious couch. It is definitely a wonderful place where you can enjoy a quality time with the whole family and friends. We have natural stone flooring all over this floor, and those huge triple glazed windows connect all the interior with the exterior, offering plenty of light. Furthermore, we have underfloor heating, integrated air conditioner, domotic system KNX, osmosis water equipment, and security alarm. Now look at this imposing dining area we have over here, with the spectacular works of art connecting us to the splendid top modern kitchen with high-quality electrical appliances from Gaggenau and this one-piece countertop Pietro Grey marble. Additionally, the same floor has an attractive master bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, a large dressing room, and all of this is facing the beautiful views of the sea. All the floor is surrounded by this spacious terrace with a chill-out area where you can create unforgettable moments with the whole family and friends. And on the center of this masterpiece, we find this magnificent 40 square meters infinity saltwater pool and those unbeatable panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea and the island's capital. The sunset from here must be priceless. I have to say, I am personally in love with this majestic glass staircase. They are entering us to this gorgeous spa area with heated saltwater pool, which provides us so much peace. It is without any doubt the perfect place to relax. On this floor, we can find a second master suite, which has an own living room area, and furthermore, there is 3 double bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms and terraces, which connects us with the natural garden and the amazing landscape, a pure symbiosis with the outside area. We arrive now to the lower floor, but not less impressive, the basement. As you can see, we have this practical elevator that connects all the floors. Through this large transparent window, we can see the extended garage suitable for 4 cars. And finally, this fully equipped gym, ready to be used. As you can see, this property is an authentic architectural gem. The excellent views that it offers, the privacy, and the overall high quality level makes it the perfect home. We hope that you enjoyed our video tour, and we thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming content. I am Diana, and it was a pleasure for me to guide you through this dream-like villa. Till next time!